In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your funnel in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a product to a funnel step and get it ready for checkout. Go ahead and log into your GoHighLevel account, and once you're in, let's get started. From your main dashboard, the first place you want to go is the Launchpad. This is essentially your starting hub inside GoHighLevel. Look for the Launchpad option on the left-hand menu and click on it. The Launchpad gives you quick access to important areas, and from here, we're going to move into the section where your funnels live. Next, click on Sites. You'll usually find sites in the left-hand navigation panel. This is where GoHighLevel keeps your websites and funnels grouped together. When you click Sites, you'll see different tabs or options, including one specifically for funnels. Now, from within the Sites area, click on the funnel you'd like to add products to. Take a moment to be sure you're opening the correct funnel, especially if you have several that look similar. Once you open the funnel, you'll see the various steps that make up that funnel, such as opt-in pages, sales pages, and order forms. With the funnel open, look for the products option. This is usually associated with the specific funnel step where you want to sell something, often an order or checkout page. Click on products, and this will take you to the screen where you manage the products linked to that step. On the products screen, click on Add Product. This opens a form or panel where you'll define exactly what you're selling on this page. Think of this as telling GoHighLevel which product should be connected to the checkout on this funnel step. In the products field, click into it and pick a product from the list. These are products that you've already created or connected through your payment settings. Choose the one that matches what you want to sell on this particular page. Next, click into the product name field and add a name. This is how the product will be labeled inside this funnel step, and it's often what your customer will see. Make it clear and descriptive so it's obvious what they're buying. You'll also see a field called Price Display Override, which is optional. Click into this if you want to change how the price appears on the page. For example, you might want to show something like only $29 instead of a standard price format. This doesn't change the actual charge amount. It only changes how the price is displayed to your visitors. Once you're happy with everything you've set, click on Save. This final step confirms your changes and attaches the product to your funnel step. After saving, it's a good idea to preview your funnel page and run a quick test to make sure the product appears correctly and the checkout process works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully